Visiting Cat Cafe Mocha Ikebukuro.
鳥大丈夫ですか？
あ、大丈夫です。
English. He knows where to sit, right by the door. Do you want a little bit of that? You'll have the whole lot. I've got to save some for the other cats. Oh no. It's like, oh no, I know what I want the lollipop. Give me some of that. Eh? You'll be here all day. Look, someone else is coming in. They're all getting some. That's the trick. It's pay to win. Whoa, look at the size of this guy. Whoa, 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 violence. As soon as this lollipop's gone, so will you be, won't you? Eh? The way you turned with the toe. Oh, okay, sorry, calm down. It's holding my hand, so I dare him take it away. Oh, you want some of this one? Of course you do. Man just bit it. This one can care. This one's chill. What? What's the matter? It's not interested. What little man? What? Well, you've never seen a bald man before. What's the matter with you? What's the matter? Hey. Hey.